In this video, we're going to go through how to do a mass flow vibration calibration. Before starting a mass flow vibration calibration, you're going to want to have your header hooked up, connected, ready to run. The important thing to remember when doing the mass flow vibration calibration is you need to do it for every head that will be on the machine, whether it's a corn head or a platform or a draper. So the first step we're going to do is go to main menu, machine settings, and then calibrations and procedures. We're going to look for mass flow vibration calibration. It's going to kind of tell us what to go through here. We're going to hit calibrate. We need to have the separator and header engaged and then at high idle. We'll hit next. What this is doing while it's running is it's taking in all the vibration from both the header and the machine and figuring that into the yield count. And it does take a little bit. And then once it's done, it'll say calibration complete. You can shut everything off and then hit save. And you're done.